Alright, let us go through our do now. Question number 1. Which energy store changes when temperature increases, and how does it change? Dimitri? It is thermal and then it increases. Alright, that is correct. Thank you. Question number 2. Which energy store changes when speed decreases, and how does it change? Sarah? Kinetic and the store? The kinetic store decreases. That is correct. Thank you. What word is used for a material which a wave travels through? Alfie? Okay, the gentleman on the far right. Sorry? Sorry? Okay, you don't remember? Let us get assistance from Ruby. Ruby?
I'm not sure.
Okay. What word is used for the material which a wave travels through? Remember, there are examples. A wave can travel through the air, a wave can travel through water, a wave can travel through a metal. So that material through which the wave is traveling, what special name do we give to it? Elise? Okay. Radwa? Yes?
Transparent.
Okay, transparent is incorrect. The simple answer, guys, is just a medium. So when we talk about, like we are talking about media, we're talking about a wave or a ray of light traveling from water into air or vice versa. So it's simply called a medium. If there are many, we call them media. Question number 4. What is the word for some of a wave's energy is lost inside the material? Philip? Sorry? It is absorbed, that is correct. So we just call it absorption. Question number 5. What is the word for some of a wave's energy doesn't pass through a boundary, but instead it bounces back? Angela? Sorry? Yeah, but we talked about what happens when light approaches a boundary. We said there are 3 things that can happen. So it's one of those 3 things. What could it be? Amy? It is reflection, that is correct. Remember, we said when light approaches a boundary or in interface, there are 3 things that can happen to it. There is absorption, and then there is reflection, then there is a 3rd thing that can happen to it, which we are going to look at further. Question number 6. What is the word for some of a wave's energy passes through? a material, that's the third thing that can happen to it. Claudio?
Transmission.
It is transmitted, yes, that is correct. What kind of materials do not transmit any light? Remember, when you get this question, it is asking for the name of those kind of materials. It is not asking for an example. If the question says, give an example of a material that does not transmit light, then we are going to give a specific example. Adam?
Isn't it opaque?
Opaque, that is correct. What kind of materials transmit most light with little reflection or absorption? So the part with little reflection or absorption is very important, because we must know that there can never be total transmission of light, there can never be total absorption or reflection. There's always going to be a little bit of all of it. So if a material reflects light, it is going to absorb some. It may transmit a little bit. That is not significant enough for us to say we can see through. So here we are saying what kind of materials transmit most of the light, but with little reflection or absorption. Cedric? Transparent is correct. Transparent is correct. Right. So let us write with our paper pen corrections for any work we did not get right, so that we can move on.